It's Rainbow Dude. Oh, jeez Louise. I wasn't expected. Well, I don't know how to close to you and close to my phone.
Alright, this is Peggy Ray. Today we're playing Don't Break the Foot Ford. My best friend's part 2 with mine's part 1, okay?
Yep.
Alright, so today we're playing Don't Break part 4. Mine's part 1, but yours part 2.
Right.
Let's go.
Okay.
So, we're doing it again because best friend covered the microphone of Pet Story Christmas edition. So that's why we're playing another, right? Tell me.
Oh, yes. I mean, I guess, could you not hear me in your video? Or could you not hear my video?
No, it's your video.
Oh, okay.
Could even hear again. I can't even hear my best friend. But yeah, we can hopefully see my best friend, okay? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, the button blew up. Yeah, that's why I'm not pressing. Knowledge. I pressed the book and it just says knowledge. It just says knowledge. Knowledge. Oh. Knowledge. I have a hat on. Knowledge. Dang. Or what is this? I don't know.
I can't move. Okay.
What happened?
I just died.
What? Was everybody in the way?
I don't know. Just died. I like hit the jump button and it didn't jump.
Oh my gosh. You reacted by, it didn't hit the jump button. It did. You're not pressing it correctly. You're not tapping on it correctly. You can't hit the jump button. I played on phones before and the jump button works, okay? I think your fingers are broken. Good.
Oh, crap.
Get ready. Jump on 5. It's the 7, so that's the perfect time. Die. 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 No. No! I was supposed to hit that freaking girl! I almost got her. But she came back for me. I hate you!
Ooh, someone killed me.
Stupid.
Hey.
Oh, I almost said it, sorry. Sorry, I almost said it, sorry. That would have been nuts if I would have said that. Who was it?
Your father texting me.
No, not you, but that. I just didn't know what that was. Not your phone. Why did you both talk about your phone? Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we have 6 more minutes. What? This is the light the whole time.
The rock was the way. You had to move to the left. Okay? I told you the light moved.
Let's be friends. I love you. I need a hug.
No! Why did the light do that to me?
Who's dropping all this money?
What is it? Mr. Beast?
We can't pick it up or
It's
anything.
him! It's Mr. Beast!
But we can't pick it
Mr.
up.
Beast is giving all the free Robux.
But we can't pick it up.
That's stupid. Dude, Mr. Beast! I can't pick that up! Get the ball to the other side.
We can't even move.
The blue one's not from the ball. told you the blue team what? We had a lot of balls. Grab those without candy. Candy.
How do I get candy? Oh.
We stole candy. Yummy. 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 Give me the chocolate. Take me to the candy land, please. Take me to my dreams for candy.
How many do you have?
4. Wait, you have 4 too. Donuts. Avoid being grilled. Avoid being grilled. Avoid being grilled.
Okay.
It might be a little too challenging.
I'm pretty close to death here. I hope I...
Almost got grilled.
When is it gonna end?
Yay! Don't be grilled.
Woo!
Ooh, I didn't get grilled. So, happily ever have to survive the falling patch.
My ear. You're not far away from me. You're right next to me.
Am I allowed as a user? My eardrums go squeeze in the little tiny thing, so that's why I have built-in eardrums like a rooster. Yes. I really want to have built-in.
Slow down what?
Duh. Everybody slide up slide. What the rocket? Oh, that is so make sure the rocket almost got. Wait, I found it go down. What the fuck? Where'd that rocket come from? What's happening here? Where'd that one come from? Where'd that one come from? What the? What? It's too funny. The rocket is destroyed me. Follow the rocket. Where did it go? No, prepare for back.
Whew. Alright, one more round and then we're done.
Yeah. We're getting to the top of the flood. It's about to flood.
Oh, god dang it.
God damn it. We'll go on second.
Oh my god. how hard it is to hold this phone without covering the microphone while filming sideways and jump and climb things? Okay, but I don't have another computer. It's only your computer. When we move?
Yeah.
It's bad enough that I fell off the building, but the fact that I just like slammed my face into the side is like the worst.
I know, right? You want to try another one?
One more round.
Yes. What the hell is the building moving? I don't know, because it's fucking tall. This is the world's tallest building. What are we in 2065? What are we in 2050 or something? Are we in 2050?
I don't know, this is our last round. Last round, guys.
Oh. Right. What? No! I'm settled. Mr. McCain, find Lucas. I'm gonna measure something. I'm gonna measure her. I'm gonna just go back here. How big is it? I want to see how measured it is. How small it is. I think it's big. Why is it so dark? The arm's gonna help me find anything. I think measure something is probably better. So like,
It's time for bed. To bed.
winners. Dude, what am I supposed to find? Everything's Dude, how? Okay, never round.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more.
We probably can't hear you because you're far away from me.
We're gonna do one more round.
Dude, focus on your body.
I couldn't see because the stupid rainbow.
Why is your rainbow there? That's the problem. Dude, how am I supposed to win? That's it. This round sucks. Different round, please. I'm not gonna end this game terribly. That would be too boring, right? That would be boring, right? That would be boring.
Yes.
These people are hackers. Wait, no, ever hackers bot. I died. I quit this
Stop
game.
it.
No, I just died on
Stop.
How are you supposed to help me become better when I'm dying all of the time? How am I supposed to be happy? I'm just gonna rainbow.
Alright, let's do one more round, guys.
Yes, and I probably won't hear mommy. I mean, best friend. You're not my mom.
I just died because I was so distracted.
Yep, this is the terrible video I've ever seen.
It's not.
I would find the boat quick if I didn't swallow around. Grab the boat if I could find one. It would be easier if I would. It would be as fun if I would have swung around. talk about everything. It's going to be too late. Hey yo, it's loud. Why'd you turn on your volume?
Because this is our last round, so I'm just watching, you know.
Dude, you're recording a video.
I am still recording.
Okay, it's gone. Okay. Alright, this is the reason I don't hear. Okay, I'll roll my Windows and how I use it. So, before you hear it, okay? This is how my voice is doing, okay? Let's do it like this. And you're not in it. Like it.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, my microphone is only hearing if I'm close to the computer.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, but you will
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
You can hear me, but I do that. You're like...
You cheated. Alright, I'm done. Let's quit the game.
Thanks for watching,
Let's try
guys.
a better game
Like,
tomorrow.
comment,
Hopefully
and
this year.
subscribe.
Bye-bye.